Effective diet to lose weight in a week. In this video, I'll show you how to lose weight in a week. The tips you're about to hear are so effective that your body will have no other choice but to discard the extra ounces of fat it's been holding on to in case of an emergency. And the best part is, this advice is not only harmless, but will actually help you improve your health. Let's get right down to it. How can you lose weight in a week? First things first, it's very likely you're currently retaining 4 pounds or more of water weight. You need to get rid of this extra weight. To do it, you need to know what the deal with this unwanted weight is. When your body is not supplied with the amount of water it needs, it goes into alert mode and starts accumulating more and more water. In other words, the body goes back to working like it did thousands of years ago when water was scarce. Back then, extra water weight helped people survive through rough conditions. Today, it just makes people feel fat and with swollen bellies. To fight a bloated stomach, you need to trick your body into making it believe there's plenty of water available and that there's no need to carry the extra water weight. The simplest way of achieving this is to drink lots of water all the time. Once you start, your body will realize it doesn't need the stored water any longer and will trigger a signal to release it from the body. The elimination process will happen pretty quickly. If you drink more than 3 liters of water per day, 4 or 5 if you weigh more than 175 pounds, you can lose 4.5 pounds of water weight in 3 to 4 days. An extra benefit is that drinking a lot of water speeds up the metabolism, making it burn more calories and fat. Listen, I know that the prospect of drinking a lot of water is not very exciting, but it really works, so do it. To wrap up the water subject, prepare yourself to go to the bathroom more often. The increase will be a sign that you're on the right path towards eliminating retained water weight. Are you still following? Glad to hear you are. The next thing you need to know about are the 6 to 9 pounds of decomposing matter and feces that you are carrying at the moment, and that are hindering your body from working correctly. In fact, as from 26 pounds of overweight, the amount is probably even more. Carrying accumulated human waste in the intestines not only affects your overweight, it can also lead to hemorrhoids, harmful colon bacteria, sudden mood swings, fatigue, sleep disorders, etc. Think about it. It's very important that you understand that you do not want to carry undigested waste in your body. So how can you fix this problem? It's simple. With a big fiber intake of at least 1.5 ounces a day. I recommend black beans, apples, and bananas. A can of black beans a day provides 25 grams of fiber. Combine it with 3 bananas or apples to add 15 more grams to your daily intake. Fiber will help you eliminate accumulated waste, but it may take a while because, in most cases, the long years of eating junk food and other empty carbohydrates has made this decomposed matter settle in your system. As soon as you consistently incorporate 40 grams of fiber a day or more, the settled waste will begin to loosen up to be expelled from your system. Your metabolism will speed up even more as a result, enabling your body to burn fat more easily. Some truly powerful extra pieces of advice to lose weight in just a week. Eliminate all beverages from your diet except water, including sodas, energy drinks, juice, etc. These drinks are packed with calories and preservatives that make it more difficult to achieve weight loss. Eliminate white flour and sugary foods such as bread, pasta, cake, candy bars, etc. Reduce your serving sizes and eat 5 to 6 regular-sized meals a day. Add boiled eggs, chicken breast, and lots of fruit and vegetables into your diet. Follow these tips to lose weight in a week easily and change your metabolism without doing anything crazy. This is all for now. If you wish to receive more information about how to achieve the body of your dreams, visit the link right below this video. I hope you liked it, and see you in the next one. Thanks for your attention.